City folk just don't get it.
It's a bit.
You don't have to be lonely at farmersonly.com.
We are on the back of a tractor. I mean, not a tractor, a truck. And Casey is hooked on. This is Brella.
Welcome to Bathurst. Welcome to Bathurst.
Welcome to Bathurst, where we have Casey on wood, on a trailer, on a truck, on the ground, in Bathurst, and a dog, and a big pile of wood that we're gonna burn tonight. Horses. This is Barry, and he is almost 10 months old, and those are his siblings. Then that's the big one is Max, and the little Shetland pony.
It's very nice and very small. No. Fire. Now that
It's
is,
huge. I'll go stand next to it for a comparison.
no, don't say it. It's giant though. I forgot to film an outro for the farm vlog.
Moo. Wait, they don't have any cows. Baka?
Sana.